Today I want to use this masterboard to create a Christmas angel. Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today. See if my Baron will help. Yay! Now I'm just going to do a little bit more white down here at the bottom. Excellent! I'm happy now. Just use bubble wrap and some white pearl paint to do some spots on here and forgot to hit record. So that's what your typeface paper. And I've drawn an angel body on the back. First thing I'm going to do is whitewash this. The whole kind of point is you don't want the words, you want the words to be there, but you don't really want them to be the point of the painting. I know I probably have some Christmas typeface paper, but I knew that if I got into my Christmas paper, I might never see the light of day again. So I kind of collect a lot of Christmas stuff, and I tend to get a little carried away once I start looking at it. So do I want gold or do I want white? And do I want them out or down? Well, too bad y'all aren't here to help me make this decision. And I have decided that I like them expanded a little bit. And I think I've decided on the gold. I like the white quite a bit. So, but I just like the gold because it stands out a little more. So I'm going to whitewash those. I say whitewash, but basically I'm just covering the tips of the wings with some pearl paint. The second one should go better because I know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And now while we're at it, maybe a little bit of this on her dress. That's pretty. Well, now that we're at it, maybe the snow needs some. I've got a whole, I squirted way more out than I wanted to. It's Christmas. Gold and pearlized are all appropriate. This heart's going to be floating, and it's not going to really look like she's holding it. Of course, wings would start actually at the shoulder blades, so yes, I make up rules about creatures never before seen. Well, I forgot to hit record, but you didn't miss much. I was just gluing the parts together. Before I glue her down, I need to give her some hair. I'm thinking brown. Kind of going for the look of Santos, which usually have hair real tight to their head. These are Inktense watercolor pencils. Oh, her neck's kind of flimsy. Yeah, they usually have this really dark hair tight to their head. I still haven't decided what I'm going to do about her facial features, if I'm going to try to make them more defined or what. I am full of non-answers today. I'm going to go ahead and glue her down. Oh, shooky looky. I should have splattered first. This is just the most exciting part, not of the whole collage process. Mixed media process is waiting for glue to dry. Okay, I need to do a little bit more embellishing on her crown and a little shading on her heart, maybe a little more distinction between her and the snow behind her, and then I'm going to be done. I don't want my head to be in the way while I'm doing this close-up work. Now I'm going to try some of these diamond stickles. Wonder what happened to the weather last night that I can't breathe. I have these distress stickles in picket fence. Never used that, but I'm thinking that might look real pretty on the snow. God, I'm dumb sometimes. I'm using a Stabilo pencil here. This brush is so flimsy. Why am I having such a hard time today? I have elected to not do a lot of emphasis on her features, so I am going to just pencil in a little bit more on what we have. And now just a little pink for her lips, and we can call this Christmas Angel finished. I just want to thank y'all for your support during the year and wish you and yours a Merry Christmas from both Studio Passionata and my entire family. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe.